Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Moonlit Japira. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Shay. So, on today's video is going to be an unboxing video of this makeup brand called Makiage New York. So, this is the box that the foundation came in, and I ordered the shade, what shade is this? 170, and the foundation is called Woke Up Like This. So this is the foundation. So there's a quiz that you take online where they send you the product for free. Well, the product is, I think it was like $49.99 or something like that, but you get to try it for 2 weeks for free, and then if you don't like it, you send it back within that 2 weeks and they don't charge you. But if you do like it, they charge you the full price. So this is what it looks like. And I also ordered the concealer in the shade 13.5. So this is what it looks like. Can y'all see that? Yeah, 13.5. So today we will be trying it. So here we go. First, I'm just going to put on some lotion. I'm just going to prime my face with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I like to use my fingers for this. I don't like to use a brush, but I will use a brush when I apply the foundation. Sorry if I keep looking down, my mirror is like directly under the camera, and I'm not gonna take this hat off either. So I'll just let that dry up a little bit. So I did not do any swatches or anything, but on the quiz online, you just answer some questions, and I'm pretty sure I got the shade wrong. So they sent the first shade to me, I think it was in the shade 210, and it was like really reddish, like it was red. So I sent that back and got a different color. So it did not work for me the first time. So that's why I'm gonna go with this shade here, which is 170. So I'm gonna let that dry up a little bit on the back of my hand. Two pumps, I think I just put, yeah. And just gonna put it on my face. Oh, that's not that bad. We're gonna see. I like to use my fingers, then I'm going to use a brush to blend that in. So this is my first time using this one, even though I had it for like 2 months just sitting there. Never used it. But we're going to try today. So right now, I can see that it's blending. It's blending out. Tell me what y'all think in the comments below. If you think it's my shade. If you don't, if you think I should try a different one. Right now, I feel like it's blending out. Kinda like it. No, my neck is just a little bit darker than my face. So I'm gonna blend that out a little bit, but not too much because I don't want to bring it down that far. So just gonna keep it like that. I think it looked good to me. Cause I don't really wear foundation like that. I usually just do like concealer and call it a day. Cause I never could find a foundation that really matched me. So I just said forget about it. I'm not worried. But I decided to just try it. Okay. Yep. I think it blended. I do think it blended. Wait, my hat all lopsided. Let me fix that. Oh well. And the concealer. This is the concealer. Time. First time opening this, y'all. I'm scared. Okay. There we go. Alright, so right now I feel like it's a little thin. I like my concealer under my eyes a little bit thicker. And maybe I should try a shade lighter. I don't know. What y'all think? I gotta blend that out. Try the other side. I mean, I should not like have to dip this that many times, but oh well. I feel like I dipped this like 3 times. Cause this is the applicator right here, so I don't know how hygienic that is, but that's why you don't share makeup. And I'm just gonna blend that out with this damp beauty blender. I mean, it worked for what it is, but I kind of want something just a little bit more highlighting under my eyes. It blend though. I mean, hey, it blend. What y'all think? Y'all think it blend? I say I don't see it. It like blended away, so I think that's pretty good. But I want to put another concealer under my eyes, so I'm gonna go with this NARS concealer in the shade medium dark. And this makes my eyes water, y'all. I don't know how to feel about that. Not this one, the other one. It's making my eyes water. Just put a little bit. that's like a little bit better to me. And I'm just gonna set that with my black opal matte foundation. Take that same beauty blender. I'm just gonna pat that right up under. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that, and I will be back with the rest of my makeup completed. Okay, so I like it. This is the finished look with the foundation and the concealer and everything else that's going on. So let me know what y'all think in the comments. I like it.